Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. On the behalf of Dr. A.Q. Khan School System Banigala, I welcome you all to the first online class of subject English for grade 5. I request all of the students to please bring your books and open page number 4. We will start our first chapter today, which is How Late Am I? On the top corner of your page, you can clearly see the name of the chapter, which is How Late Am I? Below that, there is a word written conversation. So, first, we need to understand the meaning of the conversation. Conversation is basically a talk, especially an informal one, happening between two or more than two people in which news or ideas are exchanged. A conversation is basically the dialogues going on between two or more than two persons. It can be on the random topics, it can be on the call, it can be on the messages, and it can be face to face. Now we will start our reading. Look at paragraph 1. There are two characters, Mom and Hansel. So we will start the reading. Mom, wake up Hansel, you will be late for school. Hansel, oh, how late am I? Mom, it's almost 7 o'clock. How did you forget to set the alarm? Hansel, I think I fell asleep while I was studying. Mom, oh yes, you use your notebook as a pillow. How well do you know your math for your test today? Hansel, actually, I know it pretty well. I have been reviewing all week. I think I was counting in my sleep. Third paragraph. Mom, maybe you can do one more problem. Figure the area of a pancake before you eat it. Answer. Pancakes. How did you know that I wanted this morning? I'll be there right away. I'm starving. Fourth paragraph. Mom, you might want to wash your face first. It's blue on on one side. Answer. Blue? Where's a mirror? Am I sick? Mom, only with note pockets. I think it's from the blue pen in your notebook. Basically, there is a conversation going on between mother and his son. He was preparing for his maths test all night and forget to set his alarm. His mother came to wake him up and inquires him about his preparation for his maths test. She prepared pancakes in the breakfast for him, and Hansel gets excited to eat them because he was hungry. In the end, his mother mentioned that there is a blue stain on his face. He gets scared and thought that he gets sick. But when he looked in the mirror, it was just the stain of the pen on his face because he used his notebook as a pillow. Now, at the end, you can see vocabulary words. Listen and repeat. Find the word and expression in the conversation above. So, there is a list of words given. You have to find these words in the text. Alarm, notebook, pillow, counting, face, figure, reviewing, pancake, starving, actually, mirror. Fall asleep. How did you know? Right away on one side. What you have to do is you have to find these words in the chapter, and you can clearly see the words which are underlined. You have to look for the meaning of these words from the dictionary, and for the practice you can do the conversation with your friend or a family member on the current scenario going on, which is coronavirus. In the next lesson we will do the exercise of this chapter. And dear students, in case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school contact number. We will address your queries there. Inshallah, we will do the exercise in the next lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.